I'm Sam, a research fellow at Cardiff University. My research focuses on understanding the causes of mental health problems in children and young people. Recently I received the prestigious Wellcome Trust Career Development Award, and my project focuses on identifying the risk factors for developing the eating disorder avoidant restrictive food intake disorder, abbreviated to ARFID. To achieve this, I'll use large-scale data sets and work with individuals living with ARFID. You may not have heard of ARFID before. It was introduced as a diagnosis in 2013, and there's currently a lack of research, despite it being a serious condition affecting 1 to 2% of the population. As part of the fellowship, I'll work with the NHS to develop the first national clinical guidelines for ARFID in Wales, and I'll work with the Psychiatric Genetics Consortium Eating Disorder Group to disseminate my research internationally.